Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. This week we let Harvey take me for a walk and we find something truly amazing in the woods. Little bit of motorcycle maintenance. We changed the oil on the Honda CBF125. So right, let's get into it. Off to the woods. Let's go. Last week's video was a bit of a nightmare. It took 26 hours to upload. There's just no bandwidth available on the internet. So hopefully this week's will be a bit quicker. Instead of 1080p, I'm recording in 720, which is the next setting down. Hopefully the picture quality is just as good. Anyway, you don't want to see me. Let me flip the camera around. Actually, this is a bit better. I can see the screen. The screen's gone off. Can't see the screen, so I've got no idea what you're watching. Harv, you want to go that way? Should I go this way? You always want to go that way. Well, it's bank holiday Sunday, Easter Sunday, and if you're in the UK, you will know most bank holidays, it's wet, it's rainy, it's horrible. Because we're on lockdown, it's about 25, 26 degrees, lovely and sunny, and we can't go anywhere. Yeah, kind of a reason I don't go this way. It's kind of a lot of people don't go this way. There's a track up there. Let's see where this goes. So many trees down because of the winter storms we had. Yeah, someone must come this way. They've cut the trees down to open the path up. Oh yeah, I was saying, last week's video, 26 hours to upload. I had less than a 1 meg upload bandwidth. I shall cut it down a little bit this week. Oh, fancy doing some bush bashing? Instead of staying to the path, shall we go through the bush? See, he knows what I mean. Literally no one comes through here. Oh, actually there's a kind of a little trail. I think I'm going to need both hands to get through some of this. So far so good. It's a lovely warm day. Trying to keep up with Harvey. He kind of forgets that I can't fit through some of the gaps he can. But I thought it'd be a little bit different. Instead of me taking him, he can take me and I'll just follow on behind. Right, I'm going to bring you guys out a bit further on. Catch you in a minute. Well, I brought you back a bit further on. We really are in a part of the wood that no one goes to. But there is something of interest. Let's go see what it is. Over or under? Let's try under. All caught up in some brambles. Yep, good to go. Go on then, you brought us this way. It's like a old digger of some sort. And a sheer drop on that side. So, right, don't slip. Actually, it looks like there's an old road going along now. Can I get through? I can get through. The question is, can I get back? Oh, there you are. You wondered where you were. Wow. I wonder how long this has been here. Got side feet, a back bucket, ouch, definitely been here a few years. Ah, looks like something's been taken off of it. See if I can get round to the front without... Oh. Ah, International. So it's a digger, bulldozer, literally just left in the middle of the woods. Don't think there's any chance of getting that out now, but wow, wouldn't that make an interesting restoration project? The rams look pretty good. Alright, there's a few pop marks on them, but that would polish out. What are you doing up there, Dougal? Ah, maybe I should let Harvey guide us more often. Who knows what stuff is still left in these woods. Yeah, we never come this way because there's, as you've seen, there's no path. Yeah. And kind of a, maybe a stream down there. I don't know, that's something for another day. I think if I got down there, I'm not going to get back up again. Okay, so back to the man cave. Okay guys, so time to do an oil change on my bike, a Honda CBF125. It's recommended you change the oil every 2,500 miles. I change it every 2,000 because I do ride the bike quite a bit. So on mine the oil drain socket is there. So if I put you guys over here, hopefully you can see what's going on. And it's a 12mm socket. So just crack it, get the bowl in place. I've still got the dipstick in, so it's not going to absolutely flood out, I hope. There we go. Yeah, that should be red, and it's not, so it's definitely time to change the oil. I've taken the dipstick out now, so air can get into the top of the engine and all of the old oil can drain out. The engine is warm. I'll just give it a wash, well, kind of a wash, and let it run for 10 minutes to warm the engine up. just rock it on its centre stand to see if any more is going to come out. When taking this out, there's a little compression washer. Make sure that's not fallen off and gone into the bowl of oil, or you'll find it won't seal and you just get a little oil leak. The oil is quite hot, so it's going to drain out pretty quickly. I won't have to leave it to drain. Just dripping. You'll never get it all out, but you get the majority. Putting the sump plug back in. Getting set the right way round. Now this is a steel bolt going into an aluminium case, so you don't want to over tighten it or you will crack the aluminium and you'll knacker the engine. So it is just above finger tightener, little gnats to just to tighten it up. Now, the oil I've got, now see if I can get that in, 10W40 semi-synthetic, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this into the oh, where the dipstick comes out of. Oh, see if I can set you guys up around the other side. Yeah, looks pretty good. Take dipstick out. Sorry guys, I needed a funnel. Camera won't focus today. And I'm going to put, there we go, you can see, should be that nice red colour. I should put about 90% of it in and then check the level. Because the bike only holds a litre. What have I got there? Oh, that's about half. And on a major service I take this cover off, and there's an oil strainer in there. There's no oil filter on a CBF, but there is a fine mesh that gets the particles out. Right, now where have I put that dipstick? Getting short lookers on so I can see. And the oil is, now look at that. I've put about 3/4 of the oil in, and already it's about halfway up the dipstick. So I only need to add a little bit more, and that should bring it up to the full. So I've still got 200 mils left in the bottle. So it only took 800 mils. So there's still 200 mils of old oil left in there. But you know what? Because I change it every 2,000, I can live with that. Right, I shall leave that sitting there for another 10 minutes. Check the oil again, and if necessary top it up. But it shouldn't need it. We should all be good to go. I'll grab you guys and bring you round to this side. And that is what's come out. Get the light on it. Look at it, that is black. And that has only done 2,000 miles. So I'm not quite sure what it would be like if I left it for 2,500. But right, job done. Back to the man cave. Wow, quite an eventful week. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Click the subscribe button below and the little bell, and you'll get a notification of when I bring out the next video. Sorry we're not doing any ride outs, just can't. We're on lockdown. This is end of week 3, and I don't know when. I don't think anyone knows when the lockdown's going to be lifted. So until then, we shall carry on. A little bit of motorcycle maintenance, a few walks with the dog, maybe check out some of this camping gear that I may not get to use this year. Anyway, all that reminds me, must get the tent out, and I have got some waterproofing, so I've got to re-waterproof my tent. So that will be my task for the coming week. I shall catch you all next week. Stay well, stay safe. Mike signing off. Bye.